more stay for the milk. Found the carrot, huh?
It's very steep in a lot of places.
There's always that threat of injury to personnel. Most areas where within our ordinance, we're still able to physically get up there, but these goats are amazing in terms that it seems like they climb up those with no problems. I haven't seen a goat trip yet.
A site like this is very labor intensive. There's a lot of dried brush here. There's a lot of stuff that would have to be hauled out up over the hill by hand. The goats eat it. It's gone, it's disappeared, it doesn't exist anymore. This is a very appropriate site for grazing.